Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool half video effect sort of thing on CapCut PC. So just copy and paste your video, and on the second one you're going to go to mask and you're going to select split and you're going to rotate it 90 degrees. You're also going to feather it out a little bit. If you can't see it, just hide this track first and feather it out just a little bit. Then on the second one, you can add in any filters or effects you want. For instance, you want it to go from color to black and white. So go to the black and white filter and just add it to the track. And then you're just going to select the second video with the filter or the effect. You can use effects too, by the way. Select it. Actually, I'm going to show you effects too so you guys can see. I'm just going to delete this one. So select both, right click, and then create compound clip. And as you can see, only half of it is affected by the effect. So you guys can see like this like split kind of effect from normal to like either black and white or like the effects you chose. I'm going to try to do it with the black and white one, and it shows like a split. So like she goes from color to black and white and she's dancing like so. And this is what it should look like at the end. Like this. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!